Hello viewers, I have been using iPhone 17 for a couple of months, and today in this video I will talk about my experience of using this smartphone. The in-hand feeling of iPhone 17 is excellent. It is neither too big nor too small. The 6.3-inch display is perfect for my hand. The cameras and the display on this smartphone is top-notch. As you can see here, this footage has been taken from iPhone 17's main camera in 4K 60 fps, and you can see the quality. There is no hiccups, no stutter or lag, no shakiness. Stabilization is top-notch. Now enjoy the original footage. I generally get excellent battery life from this smartphone. I have got around 5 hours screen on time today, and as you can see here, I have charged up to 90% yesterday. I have set a battery limit of 90%, so it will not charge above 90%, and you can see my usage here. Today I have used it mostly in Wi-Fi network, and also I have kept 5G off. After 100 cycle count, you can see that battery health is 99%, which is excellent. Almost every day I edit videos on my iPhone 17. More than 90 videos have been edited on iPhone 17. Also, camera has been used to take those shots. So you can expect a very good battery backup and battery life from iPhone 17. If you are a content creator, in that case, the camera will definitely make you feel happy. But after spending around 80,000 on a smartphone without a telephoto lens is a little bit drawback in iPhone 17. And after 3 months, you can see that there is no scratches on the body of this smartphone. So the quality is excellent. Though I have always used this smartphone with covers, and after using it in covers, the condition of this smartphone is top-notch. So if you are planning to buy iPhone 17 and you have a budget of 70,000 or around 70,000 rupees, in that case you can definitely buy this smartphone. Except telephoto lens, you will not regret in any department, be it battery life, display quality, camera quality or any other thing. Currently my iPhone 17 is running on 26.1. This is one of the best updates that I have received. I am getting excellent battery life. So I did not upgrade to the latest version, that is 27.2.1. As you can see here, already there is an update and the size of this update is around 12 GB. But as I am getting excellent battery life, I did not upgrade to the latest version. You will also get great battery life on iOS 26.1. So if you are using iPhone 17, let me know your thoughts regarding this smartphone. So in the conclusion, after 3 months, I am very happy using iPhone 17. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.